How to copy and paste text on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily copy and paste text from anywhere on Android device. Now let's get started. Whether you're browsing your favorite website, reading an email or message, or any other form of text on your Android, you can select a word to copy by simply holding your finger on it. You'll see the word you have selected become highlighted. If there are more words you want to select along with it, you can drag the ends of the selection tool until you have selected all the text you want to copy, or tap select all in the menu that appears to select all the text on the page. Once you've selected all the text you want, tap copy in the pop-up menu. Now go on whichever app you want to paste the text into. You can paste the text anywhere, including in the text, emails, messages, notes, and more. Once you have opened the page where you want to paste the text, hold your finger in the empty space in the text box and then tap paste in the menu that appears. That's all it takes to copy and paste text on Android. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.